entertainment, information, and events. You're watching The Daily 2.
Hi, I'm Megan Clemente, and you're watching The Daily 2. From treating common conditions to performing life-changing procedures, surgeons play an important role in helping patients get back to living healthy, active lives. Joining us today is Dr. Ryan Enders, General Surgeon at Parrish Medical Center. Doctor, welcome to The Daily 2.
Thank you for having me.
So, Doctor, what inspired you to become a surgeon? Also, what do you find to be the most rewarding thing about your profession?
Something inspirational about general surgery is that people can come in with ailments that can be serious and life-threatening, yet they can be easily identified and managed in a very logical way, and you can make a big impact on the patient's life and get them back to the way they were before surgery.
And Parrish Medical Center was recently recognized as Becker's Healthcare 100 Great Community Hospitals. What does that say about the level of care that you receive when you go to Parrish?
Yes, it's definitely patient-centered care, a lot of empathy, family type of experience that patients will receive while they're there. Also, the staff treats each other that way as well, so you can really just feel a warmth and a kindness when you come in, and then that really helps people, I think, not only heal and feel better, but it also directly affects patient outcomes.
So what types of surgical procedures and services do you offer?
So I'm a general surgeon, so I do anything from emergency, life-threatening surgery all the way to elective hernias, gallbladders, colon surgeries. I do everything robotically unless it can't be done robotically.
And how does that compare to traditional? Because that's completely different, right?
So robotic is a minimally invasive approach. I use the fine motor skills of a robot, which is near perfection, which takes out human error. You also have better visualization, which allows you to identify things that maybe you wouldn't be able to in an open or more traditional approach. And all that means is a safer, better, less complicated procedure.
Doctor, thank you so much for your time. To learn more about the surgical services and advanced robotic technology available at Parrish Medical Center, simply visit parrishhealthcare.com. Till next time, I'm Megan Clemente with The Daily 2.
Thanks for watching The Daily 2.